Good evening everyone, I am back. Today I'm so excited to show you my unboxing of a wireless charger specifically to use in my car this time, and also as always from Anker. It's the Anker Nano wireless car charger with a model number of A2216. I bought it from Taobao China for $27. I'm looking for a car wireless charger for a while now, but I had a hard time looking for the one with the most flexible position until I found this Anker charger. So let's look around the box and see what inside. Okay, so it made specifically for iPhone, but I use Samsung, so I don't care anyway. As you can see, it has cable included. Okay, as you can see in this image, you can put it in any position, and with its 360-degree head you can get any position. Okay, it's the model number A2260. Okay, so let's see what inside. Okay, that's all. Okay, here you got a 60 watt 1 meter. Okay, a cable. And what is that? Up. Okay, you got some magnetic ring. Wow. Okay, some sticker, some manual, two set of alcohol swab. Okay, QR, and here two set of velcro. Okay, okay, and where is the okay, here is the body of the charger itself. Here is the rotatable head. As you can see, you have to apply this velcro, and then you stick the body of the charger to the velcro, and you can position it at any angle you want. Okay, the body is very strong. Okay, so if I can show you. Okay, so in the box you got mainly the body of the charger, two set of velcro, two set of alcohol swipe, one meter of USB-C to type C. I think it's 60 watt. Okay, and an extra magnetic ring. Okay, if your phone it's not an iPhone. Okay, so okay, let's put that aside. So the charger, it weigh around 160 gram. Okay, and it's measuring around 20 centimeter by 5 centimeter, and the thickness is around 6 centimeter. Its feature 360 degree. As you can see, you can rotate it in any position you want. Okay, and the suction power start around 14 newton, and it can go up to 20 newton max if you use the included magnetic ring, or your phone has a magnetic ring case. Okay, and it can wirelessly output between 5 to 7.5 watt, so it's Q1. Okay, it can bend and shape at your will. Okay, and with the 3M adhesive. Okay, this one is a 3M adhesive. It can endure up to 160 degrees Celsius, and you can apply it without damaging your surface area on any material like plastic, like glass, like leather, or metal. It can bear the weight of up to 5.1 kilogram. So you don't worry about dropping your phone or even your tablet like the iPad Pro. It has been tested with 300 grams of loading with 60,000 consecutive vibration without falling. So let's see how it sticks with my Z Fold 6. Where is it? Okay. Wow, as you can see, it's very strong. Okay. So now it's time to see how it looks in my car while driving with my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Okay guys, here is how it looks in my car. You can see it stick to the Velcro. You can apply it on any surface even if it's not totally flat, but the Velcro is very strong. Okay, and here how it looks. You can rotate the head every direction you want. It's very easy. Okay, let's see how it goes against the bump while driving. Okay, here how it looks. I even put my Z Fold in unfold mode. As you can see, against the bump, it's very stable. See, there's a big bump, and it's work 100% great. Okay, so that's all for this video. Please leave a comment if you have any question or sharing idea. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.